Hello, my peaches. What's up? Today I'm going to talk about Ruby Berries from Zara. We are slowly going to move towards to the fourth collection video from Zara. So yeah, so many Zaras I have, and also let me know if you would like to see an entire Zara collection video. Do let me know about it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before digging in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Peach Pack and tap on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload. I'm also super duper active on Instagram and I share about my personal life over there. So follow me on Instagram to connect better with me. Some of you ask me that what is this a due for? I have no clue. I have absolutely no clue what this is a due for. But I want to start off with the packaging, and I clearly prefer it without the pouch. I hate the pouch on this fragrance. I just hate it. It might look better in the pictures or whatever, but this is such an ugly looking pink in my opinion, and I don't like this pouch or this color. So I would talk about this fragrance like this. You know, the first time I sprayed this fragrance, the first time ever when I tried it, I was like, this smells like Appy Fizz. I am so happy about this fact. I don't know. I mean, some might find it not good enough to be smelling like Appy Fizz, but I really like this. This is a berry and apple, like a lot of red berries in it and a lot of red apple in the opening. Like somebody has, chopped some apple and chopped some berries or crushed some berries and has poured some soda on top of it. This is what it smells like. It is not at all complex. It's a very bubbly, fizzy, bright, fruity fragrance. Fruity, when I say fruity, it's berry and apples. So nice, so uplifting is the word for this. It is a very, very uplifting and very pleasant and very attractive fragrance, I would say. So that's about the opening, but in the dry down, when it completely dries down, it turns borderline shampoo, like a very nice fruity shampoo, but not like simply a shampoo fragrance. The berry and the fizziness never leaves it, and in the dry down it becomes a bubbly fizzy shampoo, like very nice shampoo, very nice girly fragrance, I would say. I totally get the girly and the young vibes from it. This is very much appropriate for the college going girls, and I totally imagine Selena Gomez with it. Selena Gomez wearing a torn jeans with sneakers and with a casual t-shirt, maybe a cartoon print t-shirt or whatever, and that kind of thing, like a pretty girl who is beautiful, who is confident yet very casual and very comfortable in her own self and very comfortable about being casual all the time. I have seen so many movies of her where she has carried on a casual look so well. So, this is what it smells like to me. This is just a t-shirt fragrance. A t-shirt, a fun, flirty, fruity, and young, that kind of fragrance. I totally get the fruity flirty vibes from it, and it's very, very uplifting. Like you can tell so uplifted I am right now after smelling this, and definitely attractive for the young crowd. But if you ask me, I would love to put this on just casually, like if I'm just going downstairs with my son to take him for a walk or something, or for making him play with other kids, or just going to his school, or maybe going for grocery shopping, or just catching a lunch with my family or my husband. This is just so good for all those not so important, not so specific situations where you just want to put on an easy fragrance. This is definitely great for that, and I totally love it for that. The only issue with this fragrance is that it has a moderate projection for the first 1.5 hour, and then on the third hour mark it just vanishes on me. So longevity wise, it sucks quite a lot. Even after being such a pretty fragrance, it's not giving me the longevity. Also, another thing about this one is that it's a little disappointing at Zara's part that fragrances like Ruby Berries that are not performing that well are in the price range of 1300 rupees. That's just not making sense to me. I mean, something that is giving a longevity like this should have been around 790 rupees or a max of 990 rupees and nothing more than that. But yeah, we can't do anything about that because we are not the ones who decide the prices on these, and the only thing we can decide is whether to buy this or not. I personally bought it in a huge confusion because I had totally forgotten that whether I have tried Blossom Blush or I have tried Ruby Berries in the store. I just totally got confused, and I ended up buying both of them. But yes, this is really nice, and this is really a happy fragrance, a bubbly fragrance, and even after that bubbliness and fizziness in it, it is quite smooth, it is quite soft, and it is not sharp or screechy or metallic musky in the dry down or at any point of the time. From the time you spray it till the dry down, it's quite smooth and fruity and bubbly. That is why I just personally feel that for the easy reach fragrances, this is such a beautiful option. But the only problem is that it's not long lasting. So it can only be your, like, if you want to wear this to college, you'll have to carry this along and keep touching it up. And if you just are going somewhere nearby and you're gonna come back after 3-4 hours, then it's good for that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Be My Peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good, and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.